Once upon a time, there lived two pigeons. They were husband and wife. They spent their day looking for food, and in the evening they would come and rest on their favorite tree in the forest. One evening, the wife returned home early. She was waiting for her husband when suddenly it started to rain. She began to worry. "Where are you, my dear? You never stay out so late," she whispered to herself. Just then, she saw a bird catcher coming towards her. He had a pigeon in his cage. It was her husband. "Oh no! What shall I do now? I wish I can help my husband," she said. She desperately tried to distract the bird catcher by flapping her wings, but all in vain. Soon it stopped raining. "It's so cold," said the bird catcher. His clothes were wet. He decided to sit under the same tree where the two pigeons lived. The poor wife sat by her husband's cage crying. The husband said, "Do not feel sad, dear. We now have a guest. This man is shivering and hungry. He needs your help." Hearing this, the wife flew around getting dry twigs. She made a fire for the bird catcher. Then she looked at the bird catcher and said, "You're our guest. Since I have no food to offer, I will jump into this fire. In a few minutes, I'll become an edible meal for you. You can eat me." The bird catcher was overwhelmed by the hospitality of the humble pigeon couple. He at once stopped the wife jumping into the fire. He opened the cage and set the husband free. "I have been cruel and selfish. I'll never trap any bird in my net again," said the bird catcher and went away. The two pigeons were happy to be reunited.